Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and this lecture I am going to teach you how to import file or anything in Adobe After Effects. So what is mean by import? Here the meaning of import is that let's say you have a file or video or picture or anything in your USB. So how can you get that file, video or anything in Adobe After Effects? Definitely you have to take the help of import. So how can we import? Actually we have three ways to import one thing. The first way is that just come here, definitely here, double click on it and then it will show you this window. So in this window, let's say if I want to import this picture, so what I do, I first select this and then I will click on import and then I will get my picture. Second way to import is that let's say if I want to import, so I have a second way. What is the second way? The second way is that go in file menu and go in import and go in file, click on file and then it will show you definitely this window. Getting me? Same. Or if you don't want to go in file and import, what you need to do, you need to if you don't want to go, so just simply use Control I, shortcut Control I. So if I say Control and I, and then I will get this window. Getting me? So actually we have three ways to import anything. Getting me? Double click on it and then it will show you that window, or go in file, then import and file and then it will show that window, or just simply say Control I. So this is the way to import. Second, definitely we have the most important thing, that is multiple files. So why do we have multiple files and what is the work of multiple files? Let's say if I double click on it and let's say I have let's say I am a photographer and definitely I must have more than 1,000 pictures or photos. Getting me? And if I want to import all these photos, so how can I import? If I take the help of this import the option, so definitely it will take my whole day. Getting me? So what, let's say if I import first file, then one, then again for second, then for third, fifth, so definitely I will keep repeating this procedure. So I have alternative this. What can I do? I will go definitely, if I go in file, import, and here we have the option called multiple files. So if I take the help of multiple files, if I let's say if I say I need this picture again, so getting me? So if I select this and then after getting the picture, it will show me again that window. Getting me? So I no need to go file, import and then file for getting this window again. If I take the help of multiple files, so if I select one file, then it will show again this window. Getting me? Over and over and over until I don't close this. Getting me? So definitely this is the work of multiple files. So if I say this file, then again it will show me definitely this window again. If I say okay, I need this this file or this picture, so double click again. Getting me? So it keep definitely it keep giving me this, getting me this window. Getting me? So this is the work of multiple files. Getting me? So this is a way to import anything in Adobe After Effects. And let's say if I take the help of new composition and if I get a new composition. Getting me? So let's say if in new composition I need this picture here, or second picture here, and third picture and fourth picture. Getting me? So you can see that definitely in one composition definitely we can keep as many pictures as we want. Getting me? So this is the way to import anything in Adobe After Effects. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.